Atkinson. Welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Thursday, October 6th, 2022.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 87 degrees and a low of 61 degrees. It's getting colder.
Today's lunch options are egg fried rice, popcorn chicken salad, and hamburger cheeseburgers.
Egg fried rice sounds amazing. Yum. The book fair is coming next week. More information will be in the Falcon forecast. It will also be during the Fall Festival.
The fall festival. Let's go. Weird but true. In the 1800s, coal tar was added to ketchup to dye it red.
That's nasty.
That's nasty. Glad they don't do that anymore. Or do they?
I'm not even
Today in
thinking
history, in 1876, the American Library Association is founded.
Whoa.
So cute, I can't. All of those folks out there who claim their dogs, Carter, what are you doing? Claim that dogs aren't particularly smart, simply haven't met Louie. While out walking with his owner, Walia, back in May, the Labradoodle stopped dead in his tracks in front of a fellow doodle who turned out to be his literal brother, from the same breeder and parents and everything. That is insane, man.
Pretty cool.
But you didn't know, it was illegal to stand within 90 meters of distance from the Queen without socks on.
That's pretty weird, but okay.
Now for the joke. Now here's Ian and Zeke for the joke of the day.
Woo-hoo. Why did the teacher wear sunglasses to school? I don't know why. Because her students had bright ideas.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Aaliyah.
I'm Everett.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Till